Welcome back, everybody. We put Miss Snow White out in a temporary pen, so we're putting Bear out with her so she's got someone with her, because she'll just get out of where they're at right now. But this gives her somebody that she can even see off of, and he's like 40 pounds already. He's a big boy. Just be careful. Just try to not like dropping. Oh!
Sorry, bud. Now you just gotta go and get
Man.
friends.
He's like, oh, what are you? He's like, hello.
Man, he's gotten big. He's
huge compared to her. He's only 4 weeks older. Look how fuzzy his face is.
She's so white.
That's because she's clean. If we were to watch him, he'd be white too. Yeah, that's who you're supposed to follow. He's gonna go check everything out. He's like, whoa, what was that?
No, guys, you're buddies.
He turned right back around. He's like, I know that call. Let's go get you guys some hay. Not that you're going to eat any, but he will. And put some inside their thingy up here. We gave him a bucket of fresh water. Not that Snow White's drinking out of the water, but Bear will. And hopefully he will show her that he can drink from there. Or that she can drink.
Oh, girl.
There's your water, buddy. You see your water? Yeah. And then you got your house, and we'll put hay in there for you. I thought about grabbing that skid right there and putting it at an angle so we could throw hay and their grain in there so it wouldn't get wet.
Why don't you just throw it inside there?
Well, because if they push the grain thing up inside there, you know how hard you'd have to get on your knees to get in there to get it. Well, let's go back down. I'll grab a small wheelbarrow of hay for him. He's like, where are you going?
Now, this is an electric, but I can't go out with the panicking.
Dude, you knocked her right over.
She pees a lot.
She does. Go ahead and I'll shut this light off. Of course, everybody thinks that it's time to be milked. That's why everybody's yelling. Because Courtney already fed everybody. Look at all the little grass pieces coming up. They're just like scattered everywhere. But our plan is to have all that grass.
Water everywhere.
Yellow. I gotta go this way. Girls.
Oh, that's the sound they're eating.
Of course she is. Why? Because she's pregnant. Hi, Diamond. Hi, honey. What you doing, baby girl? Hmm? Wanna go for a ride? What? Captain! Captain!
Call up my old lady friend. We can load you up with a trailer dive and go for a ride. Take a rush forward. Go over bridges and water. Come on, girl. Yeah.
Is it Captain? Captain! What's Hercules doing? Standing up eating. Aren't you, boy? You just standing up eating?
He does stand up for a long time.
Look at ya. See, it still hurts a little bit. But that's good that he's standing. Look at Captain. You're coming closer, boy. Coming closer. Of course, you got.
If the girls are with him.
All right. So, here's their grain. Now we're going to take that to them. Courtney is going to grab the wheelbarrow that I filled and bring that back to me. I'm going to get in there with them. And we'll just go from there. Of course, they're crying. But he'll probably eat this whole thing. I'm assuming he probably will. I could be wrong, though. Kiwi's not on her nest. She likes to sit on it. I don't know if she gets on it overnight and then sits on it all the way to about 3 to 4 o'clock in the afternoon, but that's what she does. Then she gets off of it, and then she's out for a couple of hours. Tom? Right, Mango? I think I said Kiwi. We got duck eggs everywhere. A duck of eggs. I'm gonna crawl over this fence. Okay, we stuck hay inside there. We got their bowl of grain in there too, so there's hay in there. They just gotta learn to get in there. And then we put the extra hay right here. I still think I should use that. Lean up against here to try to cover the hay. And we got a small tarp we could stick on it to help that. Hey, Bear. 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 What are you doing? Huh, buddy? What you doing? What is it? You gotta go in there and get your... There you go. I'm gonna show her. She can climb up in here too. She's like, I don't know, I don't like it. You need to get in there, girl. Go in there. This is your shelter, otherwise you're gonna freeze. Bear, you can get in there too. There you go. No, stay in there. Look, there's grain right there. See? Grain? Grain? See the grain? Okay, I'm going. Oh. Let's see if I can get over this without killing myself again. It's like, if you're a man, it would have hurt. Okay. Mango? It looks like it's gonna rain. Dang. Tom's always mounting our... Look at our poor chickens. They just can't leave anybody alone. She's like that. There's another one I seen that's like that. Right there. She's like that. She's like that. I just don't know how to leave anybody alone. I don't know how this... Oh, I thought this went on there. Maybe it does. Yeah, it's supposed to be like that. She's almost like that. But look at all the eggs. There's eggs galore in here. You guys will learn. And there's tons of eggs underneath there. And then I got eggs in there I need to collect. Let's go peek in there and see. I haven't collected for 3 days, so got 3 days worth of eggs in there. I don't have any more like egg cartons at all. I need egg cartons. If you viewers want to send me some egg cartons, you got my P.0 Box in the description. You could send them right there. I'll be more than happy to take them. Yeah, look at that. Eggs galore and our little Colombian. Only one we got left. I'd like to get a few more of her. She's actually, they're pretty friendly. And then my one straggler. We want to get all these small trees cut down. Anything that's like that right there. All these little things. Get this all raked up too and seed it. And this will be where the chickens and turkeys get to roam. But yeah, I planted down in the garden here. Courtney raked, as you can see. And then we tried burning the leaves, but I want to take it over here, just on this side of this, all the way that way, up to about right there, and then over, so I've got some more of this to clean out for our garden. Now, this is my one elderberry bush, which is very teeny tiny. I don't even know if it's gonna start, but I'm probably gonna get a hold of Stark Brothers and let them know about it. This is my other one, which you can see she's doing pretty good. And then I've got asparagus, 30 asparaguses planted in these 2 rows, and then I was out. I thought I had one more plant to plant, but I didn't. I think what I'm gonna do is I got a bunch of seed startings in there. But they need to be bigger before I try planting them, obviously. But I think I'm going to buy another 6 packets of the Mary Washingtons and then finish planting this area right here, because we can come all the way over to this. So I've got like, I don't know, it's probably 4 foot right here by, I don't know, 15 feet maybe of an area where I'll have just my asparagus. Now, this area right here that I cleaned up, this is where my grapevine patch is going. I've already got 1 grape right here, which I don't know if it's gonna come back or not, but that's one. I've ordered 2 or 3 more from Stark Brothers. This is a Stark Brother Granny Smith tree, and I was pretty disappointed because what little bit that it did right here looks like it burnt itself, but it looks like it might have some sprouts coming off of it, which is okay. And this is our other one, which you can see, focus, that they're starting to bud up. This is my, I forgot to say, that's a Granny Smith. Both those are Granny Smith. These are the Red Delicious. These are my favorite apples. And they've got a little bit going on that too. These are sweet cherries. And these have, as you can see, they're starting to bloomed too, so that's a good thing. And on this side, I didn't show you the other one, but that's the other one right there of the Red Delicious. And as you can see, that one, and this is my nectars. I got one right here and then one right there. This is a nectar tree, and as you can see, there's buds on it too, which is good. So some of the cold, I was afraid that it was gonna you know, make it so they didn't bud, but it seemed to work out just fine. So I gotta get 2 decent size either trees that we could cut down to plant here, or not plant, but to post, and then run my wire. I'm waiting on Stark Brothers to send the rest of my stuff that I ordered from them, but again, I'm waiting. Oh, and my cranberry bushes are right here, and they look like they've got little leaves on them already, just tiny. But there's one. I forgot to tell you guys about these. And here's my second one. These are cranberries. 2 cranberry bushes. And then, obviously, the rest of my stuff, garden-wise, will go that way. Like our sweet corn and all the other stuff that I'll be planting. Salsa garden. I want to make our own salsa. Then, freaking, you gotta watch that thing. I want that thing cut out of here. It'll bite you. And then all of our stuff in here, I still need to go and get some more cups. But everything is looking good in this. I probably could just show you guys real quick, and then I'll end this video. You can see, and these right here, whew, it's so warm in here. These are actually, you could see them, asparagus. These are all my asparaguses that came up, which I don't even know how many there is. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, so 45 out of like, whew, it was a lot of seeds. I'm not sure what happened to this, but 45 came up, so that's pretty good. These are ready to be up potted and put into something. They already got their second set of leaves. These are like all peppers, or I think my tomatoes are up here. No, this is like cabbage and other stuff. My herbs, what came up, which wasn't much. Pretty disappointed, actually. And then my hollyhocks, I need to get them planted. And then these are beef masters. I gotta get them planted. Oh, this isn't. These are sunflowers. Those are my hollyhocks there. But yeah, that's everything in here. So thank you, everybody. Thank you, everybody, for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully Miss Snow White will be good outside, and then Bear and her will get along, and then Bear will stop crying. And of course, Miss Snow White will too. And I've got to go put my deposit down on the other sheep that I'm getting this weekend. So I want to do that. One of the bottle babies died, she told me, so she's taking $200 off my total, which is, what, $1,800 I'll owe on 6 sheep. So 3 that were bottle babies that are now weaned, and then 4 coming 2-year-olds. So I'm pretty okay with that. It's just this, you know, our starter herd, and I think it would really benefit us with having extra income for sheep meat. And not that we're gonna eat it, because I'm not fond of sheep meat anyways, but we're planning to sell it as to the market, or if someone would be interested in, I guess, for sheep meat, we could do it that way too. But it's mainly just going to be for extra income on the farm. And we've got a lot to get done, so thank you everybody again for being here, and we'll see everybody soon. Till next time, God bless.